any website images to promote on the Google search engine or Bing search engine list, you can do for image sharing websites. The all website will be here. The first one is a Pinterest, Tumblr, Digo, and Divadot, Photobucket, Smongmung. So these are the websites. These are the website. I'll show simple example. I'll give one of the best one. Go to reddit.com. Go to reddit.com. So create a post, image and video. Select by upload, where your image will be set. What are the image you are uploading? Always remember the image name will be keyword name hyphen domain name. Must and should important. Image optimization, keyword name hyphen domain name. Select your download and select your keyword. Copy. Paste the title hyphen. How is it? Is it done? Now, what are the keyword you're adding here? Copy. So, what you can forget it? My domain name. After again, post will be enabled. So, image will be deleted. So, once again, add. Now, click for post. Here are not anything, hyperlink will be not added here. Now, click for post. The hyperlink will added after image will be posting done. After image will be posting done. See this one. They show one is a comment box. They show you one is the comment box. After that, select your comment box. Copy the URL. Select image. Give hyperlink and post it and a comment. Save and click for save. And next one, postimages.org. Now click for sign up. Select your email, post and click for sign up. Sign up is simple step by asking domain name, everything. If already exists, click for login by using. If you think you have forget any password, select by here. Login. So your password you will forget, set it, reset and recover it. Sometimes you are forgetting passwords and everything. You can recover your passwords. Send your email. I'm changing my password. They receive by email. Anything by you sending email. In this, the email will be checked where. Go for updates. Now there. Go into spam box. You can check. After refreshing things, you get mail by what the image of post image. Go for updates. You get the new password. So they're providing for username and password. You can log in it. Gmail. Select the password. Login. After logging the password, save. Now, so what are the task will be done? Just select it. You come into your profile, and always your domain name will be writing for your nickname. So the nickname will be writing here. I'll give this some name is, and I'll upload a old password and update the new password. Change my password. Then click for. So in here, changing for password, I can come into your post image. For the first one, you can start by your upload by URL and upload by images. But I'm promoting which one? First, I'm promoting for website image. How can you? Right click, copy, email address, select it, upload by URL. So you can taking for list of URLs. Click for upload. By images data upload or by upload by the URLs. All websites same like that, except Pinterest. Except Pinterest. So this all build the your keyword image optimization. Data upload the images or data upload by the URLs. My target is I can implement by my website images into a search engine list, not for particular Google, not for particular Bing. These are the very important to implement the search engine list. Okay, done. Done. Based on your keywords. And what are the image you are uploading? This is very important your things. So you can image will be uploaded directly. Select your image will be here. How many images you have? Select the all images and you upload by in your things. Before uploading, first careful watch. Before uploading, what is our keyword name? Select as is same name. As is same name. Upload. Keyword is building. Uploading time you can build the keyword is exactly name. This is very important. Upload will be completed. Is it clear? These all will be promoting images so and so websites. So how many sites will be there? These are all your sites. Pinterest, Tumblr, Digo, all website will be coming to in this. 3 are mostly using for rare. This will be using regularly you can use by the more peoples. Remaining will be using for rare. Reddit, Tumblr and Pinterest. These 3 will be using for regularly. Remaining people using for weekly once and 2 weeks once. It's a very important image promotion. All your images. First of all, your website image is promoting for where? Google search engine list, any other search engine list. This is called image marketing on particular website.